Hello my friend, welcome to Smart Trader channel. I'm Trace. I make video about trading strategies and trading lessons. I want to help you become a profitable trader by show you how to trade with its trading strategies, and I will show you how to read the price actions correctly. In this video, I'm going to show you 5-minute trading strategies for Forex, stock, crypto, it doesn't matter. For these strategies, we need the Psignal and slope trends follow, Hunt trend, moving average, and the QG3 Histogram indicator. So there are 3 indicators we need for swing trading strategy. Okay, this is GBP AUD pair and 5-minute time frame. I will show you how to swing trades on the 5-minute time frame. The indicator setting you can check in the description below. For buy signal, when the slope trend trends from red color to green color, we consider to buy, and we buy when the first pull back into the support here. The slope trends can also act as support, or the baseline also act as support. We buy here and stop loss below the baseline. This is a swing trade, so whenever the price move into the risk and rewards ratio, you can move the stop loss to break evens, and we hold the trade until the trade premise no longer valid. As you can see here, we can hold the trade for a long time. Okay, until the slope trend turn from green to red, we close the trade. Okay, I hope you understand the buy trade. For sell trade, when the slope trend changes from green to red, we consider to sell, and we sell when the first pull back into the resistance. The slope change here, the first pull back into the resistance is near here. Okay, I hope you can see this. We short here, and the stop loss above the slope trend. Whenever the price move risk and reward 1-to-1, we can move the stop loss to break evens and hold for a long time when the slope trend turn red to green, and we close the trade. Okay, this is 5-minute swing trade strategies I want to share with you. Very simple and very effective, as you can see here. Okay, we can hold for 500 pip. Okay, over 500 pip. Okay, I hope you understand this strategy. It's very simple and very effective if you follow the rule. Remember, always trade with the trend, buy as support and sell as resistance. Only read 1 or 2% per trade. Study and backtest before using real money. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.